Okay, so now we have our PDF version. So what we're now going to do is put it into our Google Drive so we can actually share it to people. So we're going to come to our Google Drive. We're going to click on the new button. What we're going to do is create a new folder. And this is really important in trying to keep yourself organized because, okay, you may only have one or two products now, but in the months ahead, you may end up with 10, 15, 20, 30, 100 different products. So they can get quite messy. So this is going to be live, and it's really important that you emphasize that it's live because you don't want to be messing around with these particular documents because you're going to have links out in the world and people will be expecting to access these products. So this is your live digital products folder. Once you've done that, click create, and it will then open up. It will then, as you can see, create your folder here. Double click that, and then what we're going to do is we're going to drag in our live product. So as you can see, it is uploading here, and there is our document. We'll double click it just to make sure that it is the right document. Yep, so there's our ebook that we've created. So we're happy with that. Now what we want to do is make sure that we can share it. So when people pay for this product or they opt in with an email address, they're able to either download it or we're able to share it in some way. So we're going to move over to the right hand side, and you can see here those dots. We're going to click on that, and you'll see where it says share, and we're going to go to the share. We're not going to copy link. We need to go to the share first because we need to set it up correctly. And then you see here at the bottom it says general access. We're going to click on the drop down button. We're going to go to anyone with the link. We'll click on that, give it a chance to update. We're then going to copy this link and we're going to post that into a notepad. So this is our and there's our link. And again, you can just sense check it by it says sharing at the bottom here. Then once you're happy with that, click done. So we now have a downloaded version of this product, and we also have a share link for this product.